Hello viewer, welcome to PK Learning. Viewer, in this video we will discuss the important botany MCQs about photoperiodism. Let's start it, and first question is phenomena photoperiodism was discovered by Garner and Ellert, Borthwick and Hendricks, Flint and Arnold, or none of these. And answer is A. Garner and Ellert. Phenomena photoperiodism was discovered by Garner and Ellert. A is correct option. And next question is dark period is critical in short day plants, long day plants, day neutral plants, or all of these. And answer is A. Short day plants. Dark period is critical in short day plants. A is correct option. And next question is which is a short day plants? Henbane, cucumber, spinach, or sunflower? And answer is B. Cucumber. Short day plant is a cucumber. B the correct option. And next question is in plants, photoperiodic stimulus is perceived by roots, stems, leaves, or none of these. And answer is C. Leaves. In plants, photoperiodic stimulus is perceived by leaves. C is correct option. And next question is the hormone produced as a result of photoperiodic induction is known as cytokinin, florigen, vanillin, or none of these. And answer is B. Florigen. The hormone produced as a result of photoperiodic induction is florigen. B is correct option. And next question is which of the following is supposed to be precursor of florigen? Auxin, cytokinin, ethylene, or gibberellin? And answer is D. Gibberellin. Hormone which is supposed to be precursor of florigen is gibberellin. D is correct option. And next question is the native phytochrome is a soluble protein which is a homodimer, heterodimer, homotetramer, or heterotetramer. And answer is A. Homodimer. Native phytochrome is a soluble protein which is a homodimer. A is correct option. And next question is the molecular weight of phytochrome resemble is about 200 kd, 250 kd, 300 kd, or 400 kd. And answer is B. 250 kd. Molecular weight of phytochrome resembles is about 250 kd. B is correct option. And next question is in plants, richest source of phytochromes are aculeated seedlings grown in light, leaves, or stems. And answer is A. Aculeated seedling. In plants, richest source of phytochromes are aculeated seedlings. A is correct option. And next question is the term vernalization was coined by Gesner, Lysenko, Arnold, or Hedwig. And answer is B. Lysenko. The term vernalization was coined by Lysenko. B is correct option. And next question is vanillin is a floral hormone, inhibitor of flowering, fruit ripening hormone, or none of these. And answer is A. Floral hormone. Vanillin is a floral hormone. A is correct option. And next question is vernalization is anaerobic process, aerobic process, both A and B, or none of these. And answer is B. Aerobic process. Vernalization is aerobic process. B is correct option. And next question is which of the following hormone can replace vernalization? Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellic acid, or ethylene? And answer is C. Gibberellic acid. Which of the following hormone can replace vernalization is gibberellic acid. C is correct option. And next question is In annual, site of vernalization is root, seed, hypocotyle or flower bud. And answer is B, seed. In annual, site of vernalization is seed. B is correct option. And next question is, the site of vernalization in biennial is cotyledons, root apex, shoot apex or leaf. And answer is C, shoot apex. Site of vernalization in biennial is shoot apex. C is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.